Second question here is, he said root x plus root y is 1, find dy by dx at a particular point. So just simply first find dy by dx, that is for that differentiating both sides with respect to x. For root x derivative is 1 upon 2 root x, for root y 1 upon 2 root y dy by dx, and for 1 it is 0. 1 upon 2 root y dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 2 root x. 2 and 2 cancelled out, so we got dy by dx is equal to minus, cross multiply this, root y upon root x, and dy by dx at a particular point 4, 9. Value of x is 4 and value of y is 9. So it is minus 3 upon 2. This is what is your dy by dx at a particular point. Implicit function, again he said find dy by dx. Question is find dy by dx. So sine of xy derivative is cos xy into, for xy, x as it is derivative of y plus y as it is derivative of x. This is for sine xy plus x upon y, u upon v, y square, y as it is derivative of x minus x as it is derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to, for x square 2x, for y derivative is dy by dx. Now just what you have to do is you just have to separate the terms of dy by dx only. So for dy by dx we have a term x into cos of xy. For dy by dx we have a term x upon y square. This is x into this, and this is x upon y square with a negative sign, and this is minus 1. If we transpose it to this side it will be plus 1, and all the terms are having dy by dx. See these three terms, 1, 2 and 3. These three terms now combined with dy by dx. Rest of the terms 2x, y into this. See, bracket is there, so y into this. On that side it will be negative y into cos of xy, and y upon y square, that is 1 upon y, and on this side it will be negative y upon y square, so it is 1 upon y to this side. So this is what is your dy by dx is. Take the LCM, 2xy minus y square cos of xy minus 1. Take this LCM is y square, that is x into y square cos xy minus x plus y square, and this includes dy by dx. So here y and y cancel out, cross multiply this, so we got dy by dx is, y will be here 2xy square minus y cube cos xy minus y, and this will be in denominator xy square cos xy minus x plus y square is your dy by dx. Just note it down.